I'm Menzies and welcome back to my channel. Today we are heading off to the wonderful, the fantastic Brands Hatch GP circuit. I'm going to be here with no limits yet once again, and I'm also going to be on this small boys track hire bike. I'm also going to be turning on the GPS on this GoPro, so I'm also going to be using the race techno so we can do all of the analytics, and once again I'm going to be wearing my Helite airbag vest. So do come along with us for the ride. We're going to have a great day and I'm going to guide you through each one of the sessions. Okay, so we're here at the Brands Hatch circuit and I'm just about to be heading out onto the next session. I just wanted to take 2 seconds to talk to you about this fantastic Helite airbag vest. Now, I won't go out on track without it, and if you would like to get one as well, there's a link for you down here that will give you £50 off your purchase. If you're a road rider, a track rider, or even thinking about being a horse rider, you might want to have a look at these airbag vests to protect you should the worst happen. Now, we're going to get out on track and go and have some really cool fun. Do come with me and stay here for the rest of the session. Okay, so we got some analytics for you here looking at this third session. So as you can see, the lap that we are just about to look at is going to be lap 4, and this one was a 1 minute 48.22 as I'm battling through relevant traffic. Now, as you can see here, top right hand side, what we've basically got is the lap times that I did throughout the session, and you will notice if you have a look at these that I did actually muster to do several laps at 1 minute 48, so we've actually managed quite a bit of consistency here, which is really cool. Bottom right hand side here, you're able to see the lean angle and miles per hour, which is happening real time, as well as the actual clock lap counter that is ticking away at the top and in the middle of the screen. Over on the top left hand side here, as I'm moving around the track, you can see where I am on the GP track, and then at the bottom here we also have the telemetry, which is covering the speed, the power and then the lean angle as I'm going around the different parts of the track. So we're obviously going to be cracking on here through the rest of this fastest lap. Once this is finished, then I will take you into the main session and you get to enjoy the whole lot. So do enjoy. So as I'm heading out on this session, I'm a little bit slow getting out of the paddock, and basically as I head out, I'm a lap behind everybody else. As I zoom out on track, could have not got the timing any better, as I happen to just slot in as my 2 mates Nick and Duncan are coming past, and I actually zoom out right in between the 2 of them, so Nick being in front and Duncan being behind. How cool was that? So after what was a very busy second session, actually now we're in the third session, we got very lucky as it actually had a little drizzle of rain just before we went out, and turned out loads of people didn't go out on this session, so we had quite a clear track. So as much as I'm loving following Nick round, I decide it's time to crack on and just go and do my best. So hence, overtake and get cracking. So as you can see, this guy in front of us, all in black, I think he's on a Gixxer. I've got to be honest, I know I'm quicker than him, but by heck did I struggle to find a place to overtake him, but I do in a little while, so let's see where I hunt him down. Okay, so in front of us here we've got a guy on a BMW S1000RR. I've got to say there's very rare times where I get really excited about an overtake, or I'm really proud about a particular overtake, but this one I've got to say I really was. This guy's got so much power in a straight line, clearly pulls away from me and zooms off in the distance the moment we get to a straight, but I'm also noticing and picking up the fact that he scrubs off way too much speed going into corners and doesn't seem to carry to the corner speed. So I line him up and let's see where I can get him on this overtake, because this one I loved. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please remember to not only like the video but also hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos like this in the future. Thanks again for watching, and see you again soon.